Well, the cat soon cleared off after my little crash in the dalek yesterday. It's a little something I've just been playing with. I'm not sure if I'm going to carry it through, or I might have it remote control if I can figure it all out, as well as like manual. But here's an old remote control car, and there's the accelerator. Basically I've screwed that to there, where the wheel screws on. Screwed oh, there you go, the other connector on top, as well as some plastic underneath it. Whoops. And as you can see, pull it back a bit because there's not much room in here. On a remote control I can make it go forward, or work out how to get it to go backwards, so that'd be good. Excellent. So this will work out what the trick is to make it go backwards. I'll just have to play around with it. I think it's caught on something. Probably some cables or something. Yeah, it's not gripping something. That's cable. Now. I think after my little crash yesterday I might have unbalanced the wheel. But see, if you don't play at these things, you never knew what you can come up with. Brilliant.